Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to reach AliExpress customer service. Open AliExpress application on your device and then at the bottom go to your account section, and here you should find this help center button that looks like a headphones icon, and this will redirect you to help center. So here you can see popular solutions, frequently asked questions, and also you can use online service button, and this is basically a chat with agent. Here you can type your question, send, and wait for response. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.